Hello friends, you are welcome to our channel Learn with Pharmacy. Today in this video I am going to provide you important questions from biochemistry from second semester first year. If you will go through these questions then it's enough and you will be next topper if you will make them clear, so for that you can also go through our channel, there I had explained most questions. So we will start with important questions. Question number 1. Define and classify the carbohydrates. Question number 2. Define and classify lipids and functions of lipids. Question number 3. Give the classification of protein and explain in detail structural classification of protein. Question number 4. Define and classify amino acids. Question number 5. Explain in detail glycolysis pathway with its significance. Question number 6. Explain TCA cycle, which is also known as Krebs or citric acid cycle. Question number 7. What is etc. electron transfer chain and explain its mechanism. Question number 8. Explain biological significance of ATP and CAMP. Question number 9. Write a note on DNA replication. Question number 10. Discuss the urea cycle. Question number 11. Write a note on enzyme inhibitors. Question number 12. Discuss the beta oxidation of saturated fatty acids. Question number 13. What are ketone bodies? How they are synthesis and utilization of ketone bodies. Question number 14. Explain Hum shunt. Question number 15. Describe in detail disorders of lipids metabolism. Question number 16. De novo synthesis of fatty acids. Question number 17. Therapeutic and diagnostic applications of enzymes. Question number 18. Explain transamination and deamination reaction. Question number 19. Describe diabetes mellitus. If you hadn't subscribed to our channel then press subscribe button for latest updates from our channel.